Today we will start our new unit, which is unit 4. In this unit, first of all, we will study what is the eigenvalue and what is eigenvector. So first we will see the definition of eigenvalue and eigenvector. Here, suppose we have A, B, any square matrix having order n, then for the value of lambda for which equation Ax is equal to lambda x has a non-trivial solution is called the eigenvalue of A. So we have Ax is equal to lambda x. This is the equation which we have. In this equation, lambda is called eigenvalue if it has non-trivial solution. If lambda is the eigenvalue, then the non-zero vector x for which equation 1 hold are called the eigenvector corresponding to the eigenvalue lambda. Now, if we will solve ax is equal to lambda x, then we will get the value of x. So this x is nothing but it is the eigenvector and lambda is eigenvalue. Now eigenvalues are also known as characteristic value or proper value. Eigenvector are also known as characteristic vector and proper vectors. Next, we have eigenvalues and eigenvectors of a linear transformation. Now what is this? So for any linear transformation L, which is a mapping from V to V, if there exists a non-zero vector x in V such that Lx is equal to lambda x, where x is not equal to 0 for some scalar lambda, then we call the lambda as a characteristic root of L, and x is called the characteristic root vector of L. Now what does it mean? Suppose we have any linear transformation L which is mapping from V to V, and for that we have equation Lx is equal to lambda x. In this lambda is nothing but eigenvector for the lambda is eigenvalue for the linear transformation and x is eigenvector for given linear transformation. Now if we have u is equal to alpha 1 alpha 2 up to alpha n, transpose is the coordinate vector of x and A is any matrix of L. So A is the matrix of L both with respect to given basis in V, then AU is equal to lambda u, where u is not equal to 0. Then we can write lambda I minus A of u is equal to 0, or determinant of A minus lambda I. This is the characteristic equation, and we have x as alpha 1 x1 plus alpha 2 x2 plus alpha n xn. So this is all about eigenvalue and eigenvector of linear transformation. Next we have an example based on eigenvalue and eigenvector of linear transformation. So first example is that determine the eigenvalue and eigenvector of the linear transformation. L on R3 given by L of x1 x2 x3 transpose is equal to x1 plus 2x2 3x3 x2 minus 2x3's transpose. So this is the question. Now for the solution, the matrix L with respect to the standard basis E1, E2, E3. In R3 we have a matrix A which we are forming from the definition. So here x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 x2 minus 2x3 is given. So transpose of this means we have first coordinate as 1, and here a coefficient of x2 is 2, so here we will write 2. x3 is missing, so we will write 0. Again x3 is only there, so 0 0 3. Now x1 is not there, so 0. Coefficient of x2 is 1, coefficient of x3 is 2. So this is the matrix which we have. Now if this is the matrix, so we can write the characteristic equation of L. Equation for L is determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Now we have to solve this equation. So determinant of 1 minus lambda 2, 0, 0, 0 minus lambda 3, 0, 1 minus 2 minus lambda is equal to 0. On solving this, we are getting 1 minus lambda, lambda into, actually this is minus lambda, and if we take minus outside, then this become plus lambda, 2 plus lambda minus 3 minus 2, again this is 0, so here this is 0, plus 0 into something is again 0. So on solving this, we are getting 1 minus lambda, this entire term is 0, so 2 lambda plus lambda square minus 3 is equal to 0. This implies 1 minus lambda is equal to 0, and lambda square plus 2 lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. On solving this, we will get lambda minus 1, lambda plus 3 is equal to 0. 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. This implies we have a 3 eigenvalue. Lambda is equal to 1, lambda is equal to 1, and lambda is equal to minus 3. Hence, the eigenvalues of L are 1, 1 and minus 3. Now we get here eigenvalues. So corresponding to these eigenvalues, we have to find eigenvectors also. So to find eigenvector, suppose first of all we will calculate this for lambda is equal to 1, then A minus lambda I u is equal to 0. So 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 3, 0, 1 minus 2 minus 1, x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0, 0, 0. Now on solving this, we are getting answer as 0, 2, 0, 0, minus 1, 3, 0, 1, minus 3, x1, x2 is equal to 0, 0. Now on solving this, we are getting x1, x2 and x3. 2x2 is equal to 0, minus x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 0, x2 minus 3x3 is equal to 0. So if we say this, these both our equation are same. So from first one we are getting x2 is equal to 0, and from this x2 is equal to 3x3. This implies x3 is also equal to 0. So we are getting x2 and x3 as 0. So we can say that u1 is equal to x1 0 0 transpose, or we can write this as x1 1 0 0 transpose, where x1 belongs to R. So this is our first vector with respect to eigenvalue 1. Now for eigenvalue lambda is equal to 3, we have A minus 3I u is equal to 0. So this become 1 minus of minus 3, 2, 0, 0, 0 minus of minus 3, 3, 0, 1 minus 2 minus of minus 3, x1, x2, x3 is equal to column vector 0, 0. So this become 4, 2, 0, 0, 3, 3, 0, 1 plus 1. Column vector x1, x2, x3, is equal to column vector 0 0 0. Now on solving this we will get 4x1 plus 2x2 is equal to 0, 3x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 0, and x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. So these two equations are same. So from here we can say that x2 is equal to minus x3. And on solving this, 2x1 is equal to minus x2. So I can say, or I can replace x2 x1 by x2, or I can replace all the term by x1. So if x2, I want to replace x2 by x1, then x2 is equal to minus 2x1. Then this implies x3 is equal to minus x2, but x2 is what? Minus 2x1. So my x3 is 2x1. So u2 is equal to x1, x2, x3 is transpose. Now x1 is nothing but x1 only, x2 is minus 2x1, and x3 is 2x1 transpose. I can take x1 outside, then we will have 1 minus 2 2 transpose. So this is factor u2. So I can say that we have, so we can say that u1 and u2 are eigenvector of L for eigenvalues lambda is equal to 1 and minus 3. So here we have done our first question.